Have you ever wondered what happens when your mind loses track of where your body is in space? It starts so subtly you barely notice. Your movements, once smooth and precise, begin to feel just slightly off, like reaching for a glass and missing by inches, or stumbling on perfectly flat ground. This is your proprioceptive awareness breaking down, the invisible sense that tells you where every part of your body exists in space. As it fades, simple tasks become impossible puzzles. Your hand feels disconnected from your arm, your feet from your legs. You exist in a terrifying void where up and down lose all meaning. Your consciousness floats, untethered, in a world without direction or reference. Every movement becomes a guess in the dark. But slowly, like pieces of a puzzle finding their place, awareness returns. Your body remembers its boundaries, its position, its place in the world. Connection restored.